the executioner, Bernard Hopkins.
Right.
Thanks, Sam. Even though I spoke earlier, I'm not going to be really too long, but I got to say tickets are still available at goldenboypromotion.com. Also, you know, if anybody here really paid attention and said it, I'd rather be the one to say it first, but y'all might have been thinking of it. I'm going to give you at least that. 1988, like I said, I ain't going to do too much reflecting because I got to look forward. And when you start looking back, you can't really look forward and back at the same time.
Right.
But you know how many, Ronald Reagan was just on his way out. Think about it. Ronald Reagan was on his way out. Do the math. 1988, 2016. It means 2 of the Bushes, 2 of the Clintons, right? All right, now following you, you know what the rest is. Football, basketball, hockey, golf, maybe the late great Palmer. Name any other athlete in any sport that ever been through 4 or 5 different presidencies, years of 2 terms of each president, both of the Bushes, senior and the junior. Just pay attention and watch. December 17th, with a puncher, I run the punches. I don't run from them. And so when the puncher punches, understand that only way he know he's hitting something is when he hits something. Let's see. Can the fox dismantle the puncher? Because if that's all he has and brings to the table, when you got a gun, there's no bullets in there, you might as well throw the gun down and run.
Woo! Talk on.
Ronald Reagan was on his way out. I'm going home.